December home prices on the Maryland shore are up 4.4% to $355,040 compared to last December. Happy holidays. It's Friday, December 27th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Shore Report. More homes have sold this December than last, 4,104 compared to 3,888, at a 14% increase in homes sold last December. Active inventory for sale fell to 1,669 homes, while coming soon fell to 66 properties from last week. New contracts fell to 102 going under contract in 44 days. 121 homes settled at 98.2%, list to sold ratio with the days on the market at 23. There are 148 homes for lease at $2,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, December 27, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.